On this video, we'll take a look at Scott's Landing, a boat ramp, but also a piece of history. We're going to talk about that piece of history here in Galloway Township, New Jersey, that it ties to its nature and recreational history of the area. Now, there's a significant role this plays here at the Edward B. Forsythe National Wildlife Refuge. It's part of the larger refuge. The boat ramp is located on the Brigantine Division of the Bird Refuge there. The refuge was formed collaborating Brigantine and Barnegat National Wildlife Refuges. This was a critical part of the coastal ecosystem there in New Jersey. Now, the refuge history is centered around preserving important salt marsh and habitat, migrating birds, and other wildlife. This is a critical part of the ecosystem here in New Jersey. Now, the public access point here is the boat ramp itself for public use and providing access to the state's waterways. When coming down the main road there, headed onto Scott's Landing Drive or road, whatever you want to call it, you're going to make a right into the Edwin Bird Refuge Division here in Brigantine. You can pretty much see the signs. It's a small road. If there's two cars coming down this road, you're going to have to probably merge over. Now, nonetheless, when you do get to this location, it has a lot to offer. There's some parking on the left-hand side, and itself, the boat ramp is a public service place that provides access to the state's waterways and a significant area for activities and hunting. It is a no-fee ramp and serves as a launch pad that for smaller boats and connects users to waterways such as the Cove and Landing Creek. Now, the name Scott's Landing might come from a significant historical figure, though records and the origin of the name are particularly lost in translation, at least with the internet. However, Leeds Point itself is a historical area, and this is where Leeds Point area is. And there's also the Jersey Devil that is known to have some stories and tales of haunting this very area here at the boat ramp. The boat ramp's a cool spot. I recommend anyone going out there, even if you just like looking at birds itself and you want to get away from the bird refuge. This is just one of those divisions here, and you can park yourself, walk around, and enjoy yourself. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. The information of the area here located in New Jersey, be sure to add it, and let's turn this into a Reddit type feel in the comment section. It's very helpful.